So, these products here, they're samples, right? So it's not an issue if you go ahead and you trash them. Now, when you trash a product, let's say you do it by mistake, you do one of these ones here. If you want to get it back, all you got to do is come on over to trash, right? And here, if I want to permanently delete this, I can do that here, or I can do it in bulk by selecting them. But I can click permanently delete, or let's say I want to restore this. What I can do is click restore. Now if I want to restore both of these, select them all, click on restore, and apply. Now the only thing to note here is if you accidentally then go ahead and you permanently delete a product, you won't be able to get it back. But if it is just in the trash, you can always restore it. And now that I've done that, we come back to products, we'll see that it's back the way it should be.